In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invert any chart on Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to look at price action from the opposite perspective to challenge your bias or spot patterns you might be missing, inverting the chart is a quick and powerful way to do it. We're going to keep this simple, clear, and practical so you can use it right away. First, open your chart in Tradingview. Any market, any time frame works here. Once the chart is up, bring your attention to the price scale on the right side of the screen. This is the vertical column of numbers that shows the current price levels for your chart. Move your cursor directly over those numbers. That's the spot we'll use to access the setting now. Right-click on the scale numbers. A small menu will appear with several options related to how your scale is displayed. From this menu, select Invert Scale. The moment you click it, your entire chart will flip vertically. What you'll see is the same data presented from the opposite angle. What was previously rising will now look like it's falling, and vice versa. The candles, indicators align to price, and the price axis all invert together. Nothing in your data is changed. It's purely a visual transformation to help you view the market without the usual cognitive bias that comes from staring at the same direction for too long. If you prefer speed, here is an even faster way. Use the keyboard shortcut Alt+I to flip the chart instantly. Pressing Alt+I again will toggle the inversion on and off, so you can quickly bounce between normal and inverted views. This is especially handy when you are testing an idea or double checking whether you are favoring one direction just because it feels familiar. Toggling lets your brain reset, revealing levels and structures that might have blended into the background. As you work with the inverted view, pay attention to how trends, support, and resistance appear. A tough downtrend that seemed intimidating might look like a clean uptrend when inverted, which can help you better understand momentum and structure. This tool doesn't replace analysis. It sharpens it by giving you a fresh lens, making it easier to spot reversal zones, divergences, or breakout patterns you might have overlooked. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.